Okay, gentlemen, the slope of a line. The slope of a line is the rise between 2 points on a line divided by the run between 2 points on a line. Or m equals rise over run. Oh, don't want to do that. Okay? M is the letter abbreviation that stands for slope. So if we don't want to write the whole word slope out, right, we're just going to write M. Okay? And this will come up again. You need to know what M is because you'll see it again. And guys, there's something that I should have put on here that I didn't, Nicholas. So let me put it on here now. M is equal to, this is the equation for slope. This is what you plug into to find out the slope between 2 points, okay? So M is equal to y2 minus y sub 1. Do you see how the 2's below it and the 1 is below it? That's called a subscript. It's not an exponent. It just says, I have two y's, here's y1, here's y2, so that you can distinguish between the two of them. I'll show you later what it means. We'll get closer to it in a minute. Divided by or over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay? Now we're going to use this in the last problem. We may use it in some other problems too. I'll show you how it works, okay? But that's the equation that you need to have. All right, done. Now, let's look at this one. It says a wakeboard ramp has a rise of 6 feet and a run of 10 feet. Okay, well let me draw my picture. Here's the water. Okay. Here's the wakeboard ramp. Oh, I don't like that picture. Let's try this one. Here's the wakeboard ramp. That's a little better. Here's Will Keenan on his wakeboard. Here's the boat way off in the distance. Right? There's a line going to him, and he's holding on to it, and he's going to go up and jump on the wakeboard. Nice job, Will. Okay? Now, what they told us is that this wakeboard, that it has a rise of 6 feet and a run of 10 feet. Do you see how that determines the slope? Yeah. If the slope if the wakeboard had, I don't know, let's just say a rise of 12 feet and a run of 1 foot, okay, you'd probably wouldn't go off that ramp. You'd probably just hit it, right, and fall off the wakeboard. Okay, that's a very steep slope. That would be 12 over 1, rise over run. Okay, but that's not what we have, thank goodness, for Will's sake. Okay, Will is going to jump this ramp, but someone tell me, what is the slope for this ramp? What's the slope, Will R? 6 over 10, right? Rise over run. Here's the rise, here's the run. Okay, now I like Will's answer, but his answer's not done. And Ross is going to finish it up for us. We need to reduce, and what do I get, Ross? 3 over 5. There we go. That's the slope of the ramp that Will's going over. Well done, Will. You've got a future in water skiing. All right, thanks, guys. Next example.